The moment you get your notice possession, it's game time. And that means hiring an Alberta based lawyer as soon as possible because the lawyer is your quarterback of your entire closing process. They handle everything from preparing the paperwork, coordinating mortgage instructions, transferring funds, registering title, and working with the developer. The good news, the entire process can be done remotely. You never have to set foot in Calgary unless you procrastinate, and then you may have to fly to Calgary to sign all the paperwork in person. I have had clients that have had to do this, so please don't be that person. One big mistake to avoid, you cannot use your lawyer from Toronto or Vancouver. They have to be licensed in Alberta. And even then, it's likely a bad idea. Work with a professional who knows pre construction closings in Alberta and has established relationships with the developers there. This will ensure you have a smooth, stress free experience. Trust me. If you need to change names on the contract for any reason, do it as soon as possible. Because any change, adding someone, removing someone, switching it to a corporation, all of this counts as an assignment and requires the builder's consent. Unlike Ontario, there's no direction of title option. So make sure this is completed well in advance. So getting your mortgage sorted early is the most important part of closing.